Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Friday. Happy snowy Friday to everybody. Let's see. I'll give everybody a few minutes to log in. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. Marcus did a Facebook Live this morning. I honestly don't even know what he really spoke about this morning. I think he talked about brunch items, right?
Yeah, we're not going to be. People are asking us if we're going to start opening for brunch again, and not foreseeable.
Okay, so
maybe Mother's Day and Easter.
So a lot of people have been asking if we're going to open for brunch again, and right now Marcus and I have chosen not to. It's we're not really wanting to open for brunch, but we do have options that you can buy from us out of our grocery store. Take them home and have a brunch at home on your own. We have an awesome mimosa kit. We have organic orange juice and a Sauvignon Blanc sparkling wine, and it makes awesome mimosas. You can get H&H bagels. We have sesame, everything, and plain. We also have organic cream cheese. We have wild salmon, lox, so in small containers and larger containers. We have grapefruit juice. We have lots of great options for brunch, and you can pick those up from us. You can send us an order, send us a list, call us, and we'll get that all together for you. We also have our full grocery list on our website, aromatymebistro.com. On the top, it says Aroma Thyme Direct, and if you click that button, it will bring you into all of our awesome, delicious grocery items. We're always bringing new things in. If there's something you don't see on there, you can call us. Sometimes we can get it for you. We have lots of bulk beans, flour, organic flour, local organic flour. We have tuna fish, peanut butter and jelly. Bread alone bread just came in today. So we have some baguettes. We have some bread alone baguettes that just came in, and they're peasant bread and whole wheat sourdough miche bread, pre-sliced. It's great. Just buy it, throw it in the freezer, pull out what you need, or keep it in the refrigerator. I love bread alone bread, so we have those. We also have a full stocked wine. We have shelves of wines and liquors, and you can come in and buy those, or you can place an order with me. If you send an order, info@aromatymebistro.com, send an email. I will see the order. I will send an email back, and we'll talk about time. Sometimes I have to call you because I have a question, but all of that is available. You can see all of that on our website. And let's see, so this weekend's $9.99 special, we have pulled pork sandwiches, and we have vegan bratwurst. You get 2 vegan bratwurst with sauerkraut, $9.99. We also have our regular menu available as well, so you can call and order from our regular menu as well. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello, Kate. Hello, Melissa. Hello, Tim. Hello, everybody. Thank you very much. If you're watching me live, if you could put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. I appreciate it. So on this frosty day, I guess it's been snowing pretty much all day. Not heavy snow, but flurrying all day. I am going to be making a frosty bourbon. It just feels like a nice bourbon day. So I am going to put ice in my shaker. And I'm going to start with 2 ounces of bourbon. And I'm actually going to make 2 of these. Because guess who wants one? If you can take a guess, Marcus would like one, so I will make 2 of them. We're going to use maple syrup, so we're going to put 1 ounce of maple syrup. I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to put 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And apple cider. So we still have some local apple cider, and I'm going to put 3/4 ounce of apple cider. I'm not a good measurer, so I don't know if you are at home, but I'm not really good at measuring, so I just kind of estimate. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. I'm also going to make a non-alcoholic version of this as well. I've had some requests from some little ones for some non-alcoholic drinks. So I am going to make a frosty apple cider. Instead of a frosty bourbon, I'm going to make a frosty apple cider. So I'm going to take apple cider, and I'm going to take some maple syrup, and some lemon juice. And I'm gonna mix that up for the non-alcoholic lovers out there. And let's see how this one tastes, and then I'll taste my alcoholic one. Ooh, that's delicious. Those little ones would love it. People who don't drink alcohol would love it. And now I'm going to taste my bourbon, my Frosty Bourbon drink. Mmm. Oh, that is nice and lovely. Mmm. Oh, Marcus is reaching his hand in for a taste, so I will give him a taste as well. I like my drinks on the rocks, of course. So I'm gonna put some rocks in here. And there you have it, a Frosty Bourbon. Simple ingredients: bourbon, lemon juice, maple syrup, and apple cider. So if you have some apple cider, or you go to a farmer's market, we do have 1 gallon left of apple cider, some local apple cider, if anybody's interested in that. And cheers. It's nice, it's light, refreshing, nice on a cold day. You can make it warm as well. You can have it as a warm drink or a cold drink. I prefer cold.
Or a little bit of Prosecco on it.
Maybe a little Prosecco would be nice in it as well. Yeah, Marcus is making his own little Frosty Bourbon drink. And that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome day. $9.99 specials tonight: pulled pork sandwich, vegan bratwurst. We have a regular menu available, limited tables this weekend. Call 647-3000, 845-647-3000. Make your reservations. Hope everybody has a good weekend, and I will catch everybody on Monday. Cheers.